everyone, welcome to your Fashion Gram channel. Today in this video I will show you types of designer blouse. Puffed sleeve blouse with sweetheart neckline, with boat neckline, halter neck blouse, lace blouse, this beautiful lace blouse designs, high neck blouse, backless blouse with versatile and sizzling type of backless design, collar blouse, raise your standard with these designs, collar blouse, sheer design blouse, spaghetti blouse designs. Next, cold shoulder blouse, ruffle sleeves blouse makes everyone look beautiful. Jacket style blouse, the most classy design. Bishop sleeves blouse, off shoulder blouse, knot design blouse. There are few designs of knot design blouse. Halter neck blouse. So here I end my video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.